Hi beauties, today let's have a look at how I install full head lace. Remember, we look forward to that natural look, so let's go. The first thing I do is I apply foundation of my shade to the lace. I'm simply talking about foundation that matches with my skin color, foundation that matches with my skin tone, and I apply it all over the lace with marked attention given to areas of the lace that has been stitched. The next thing that I do is I go over the foundation I applied with face powder of my shade. The face powder should still be of my shade, and then much attention must also be given to the stitched areas of the lace. Now, I find it very difficult to cut excess lace when it is on my head, so I prefer cutting it before installing the wig. Anyway, forget about my cornrows. I braided myself, so it doesn't look that perfect, but it's way too to go. Now what you see me doing is trying to fix the hair on my head. So with this, I make sure the wig or the hair is in position. It is in the right position. Then I go over to apply enough hair glue depending on my activities for the day. The enough comes in because sometimes you realize in the middle of the day the wig begins to fall off, but this we don't want it that way, so you make sure you use enough hair glue. Then I move on to lay baby hairs. I don't really like baby hairs that look too fake. This is me trying to tie my band. At this point the wig is almost done, so I clean spilled glue that is on the face. Now here is my look. Excuse me, madam, does this even look like a wig cap? No, this looks so beautiful, it looks natural, and it looks very real.